Today in this video, we're going to learn how to use present continuous tense plus always to express your feeling that you're upset by someone or something. In this video, Mimi a sick get a present continuous tense and always go to a domido, Popialia Israel, Lila Jama Chipare. Ugama, he's always losing his keys. He's always losing his keys. Tuga a mere to a dogo, Pianirabe. Tama Biora Mahogu, what Dido to talk Nakana Biode, Sipia Bido Biore Bona Kite, to Nagona Adu, in Pianazare, the Carpingani, Toa Shadumudui. Toa Benat Hamimamadi. What Sipia Bido, Biore Lidamu. He's always losing his keys. He's always losing his keys. Who? Near a tori, Pianirabe. Oh, need I thought very Pianira Mohu, and me to a Kanakana Topia de to a Goa Arao feeling upset pide, Kuka Sipia Bido, Biore Kama, Dona pide. He's always losing his keys. He's always losing his keys. Present continuous tense goma, always net revido tobilain, feeling go, exaggerate the video, Biore Ponzane, Chitware. Another example. There's always raining here. There's always raining here. Tima Miere, Moyare. Tama Biora Mo, feeling pare. Little Mori and Yeren Joani Rabo, Machai Dulu Biora. More need I tell you are a Romahoku, Yado Api, Moyare, Diniama. I'll call him Machai Duzui, Dilumio, present continuous tense go. Always net revido, Bioluyare. There is always raining here. Dima Niere Mo, Yoare. Niere Mori, Joani Rabe. I'm always dropping my wallet. I am always dropping my wallet. Niere Ngai Pasaigo, Japiang Rabe. Nirai the Saint London Japaram Hobu, Kanagana Saint Japiango, Mimi Gogo Mimi, Sepieta. I'm always dropping my wallet. I'm near the Saidi, Japianirabe. He's always getting late for meeting. He's always getting late for meeting. He is always getting late for meeting. To a mere meeting, now Jale. Oh, meeting a sunny, to a meeting ma, easy de Bukupini, and now Jale. Sikete Kamuma, the present continuous tense nego, always net to a vidoma, Pioluyare. Well, this is all for today, and I really hope you learned something new from it. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, all you got to do is click on the subscribe button and the bell down below so that you never miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share it.